This self-adhesive plastic wall shelf can help you organize the clutters to make your bathroom, kitchen, dressing room neat and tidy. It can be wall mounted on a smooth and polished surface like ceramic tiles, glass and mirror. It comes with self-adhesive hooks, so no need to drill and make holes in the walls. It keeps your walls clean and helps you organize things easily. As the hooks can be easily removed, it makes the perfect choice for renters. It can take up to 2 kgs of load.
Flexible and flat fibers clean hard to reach corners and remove fine dust and hair.